Why, hello there. This is the card that you chose. Like 2 or 3 or 4 minutes from now. I pulled it from the future. Okay. So now I want you to pick any number between the other numbers 1 and 10. Please make it a whole number. So it's an integer that's positive between 1 and 10, and it's not irrational. Because you have to multiply this later, and multiplying pi, it's not a piece of pie. Now, I want you to take that number that you picked. It's probably 7. Because, like, 99 billion% of the population picks 7. If you ask them to pick a number between 1 and 10, every now and then someone picks 2. But multiply whatever number you picked, probably 7, by 9. If you can't multiply by 9, you can do the finger thing, where, like, if you multiply by 7, what you probably pick, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you put that finger down, and it's 63. It's magic like that. Magic. So, you probably have that number now, hopefully, unless you really suck at math, which you might. But if you do, you just take the digits of the number that you just got. So if you multiply by 7, what you probably did, and you got 63, you would add 6 and 3, and you would get 9. Now if you did 1 times 9, and you just got 9, and then you would do 0 plus 9, and that would equal 9. It's a weird coincidence how they both equal 9. That has nothing to do with this. Okay, now you're gonna take whatever number you got by adding those two numbers. You're gonna divide it by 2. Now, it's okay if you get a fraction or something. It's not okay if you get a negative. Because if you divide a positive by 2 and you get a negative, you really suck at math. Like a lot. Okay, now, you're over there. Hopefully, you have organs. If you don't have organs, and you're watching this, please notify me, because that just sounds awesome. But, I would like you to pick whichever organ from the body you choose that pumps blood and starts with an H and ends with a T and is 5 letters. So, whichever one you choose, that fits all of those categories. So, now put that number with whichever organ you chose, possibly a heart, I don't know, could have chose anything, and that's the card that you got. I showed you this card at the beginning of the video. I pulled it from this second in the future. So, yeah. Here you go, past me. He's using that right now. Give him a second. Thank you. Okay, he gave it back. Now, was your card the 4.5 of hearts? Pretty amazing, right? Now, if you show this video to your friends and anyone else, and they also happen to get this card, because this video works on everyone, that's just a coincidence. It just happens to be that everyone on Earth picks the same number. Probably 7. Do